Hello there. You're listening to Linda Pinizzato of the Condo Expert and wonderful discussions today with Sheldon Liba, who is the president and CEO of the Mississauga Board of Trade. And the amount of the spirit of success, those are the words that I see when I look at the MBOT website. Doesn't that speak volumes? Sheldon, thank you so much for coming on the show. You've just been a breath of fresh air with all the initiatives that MBOT's coming forward with. It's fabulous. It's just great.
So
Really
it's a
appreciate
wonderful
it.
community.
It
You know,
is.
people that live and work in Mississauga love this city, but it's not just a secret unto ourselves. Mississauga really is on the world map. You know, we've got a vibrant, thriving economy. Over 60 Fortune 500 businesses have their Canadian head offices in Mississauga. We've got a wide diversity of businesses, many creative, emerging, new entrepreneurial startups. So it's a great place to work, but also a great place to live. And you know what we're finding more and more is that people are choosing first where they want to live, not where they want to work. And so, you know, the type of quality of life that we have in our community is very important and has a strong correlation to economic prosperity. And so our Board of Trade is not just all about business, but it's all about community too. And so we're very engaged in a lot of community initiatives and programs and committees, other organizations. We engage very regularly with our city council on decisions and initiatives of the city, again, to create a vibrant city that attracts people, that will attract business owners, executives, and talent.
I love it. It's great. You know, I was just, on the break, we were chatting about, your motivations to get involved in committees and get involved in volunteerism and so on. And one thing that I found is that when I moved into Mississauga back in 76, because, my children were born from 80 onwards, and I got very involved in community involvement in the sports world. From there, of course, with the YMCA and everything, under the sun, with respect to having 3 kids involved in sports. And what's really is amazing is understanding balance in your life. Balance. And this is really an important point because, you see, you can get up every morning, you can go to work and come home and sit around and watch TV and whatever, and you can go to the gym and so on and so on. But your contribution to a community speaks volumes. I will tell you that, having sons that all went pro in hockey, the interesting part about it is that as they went through the system, they were not only players on teams, they saw family involvement in volunteerism. And it created another identity. And it was a fact of life where you could just enjoy what you're involved in and, basically speak out and say, hey, I'm making a difference. I'm helping out. So I know that MBOT has a tremendous amount of volunteerism opportunities with all the different committees that you have. So I'd love to put a shout out if we can talk about that. And hopefully, some of the audience contact MBOT, get involved. So Sheldon, let us know, what do you have happening as far as committees are concerned within the Mississauga Board of Trade?
Yeah, great, Linda. The Mississauga Board of Trade is a membership, volunteer-driven organization. And so there's many opportunities for our members to get involved in helping to advance our initiatives, our programs, our activities. We have about a dozen committees, so there's something to meet any professionals' specific interests. We do have a Policy and Government Affairs Committee, and we just spoke quite extensively about the policy advocacy role of the Board of Trade. It's a very active committee, people who have policy expertise and background, but just business people who have an interest in public policy and want to influence and have impact on policy decisions. We have an International Trade Committee that's relatively new in the last year. We've got a lot of members that are exporters, they're importers, or in trade-related services. And so we created this forum for them to connect, to network, but also to help support the Board of Trade in developing its programs and services to elevate businesses in our community, tapping into global business opportunities. We've talked about NGen for young professionals and entrepreneurs. We have a business learning committee that helps drive and deliver our business development programs, our seminars, our education. We have an ambassadors committee that helps with onboarding new members, which often are new businesses in our community, to help them get networked within Mississauga Board of Trade, to leverage our various programs and services, and to help them make connections within the business community. We have event-related committees for our business awards, our golf, our gala, and so a wide diversity of opportunities for business people to get involved. Not only are they going to help contribute to enhancing the work that the Board of Trade provides in our community, they provide great networking opportunities so that business people can meet other like-minded contributing business people in the community. For a lot of our volunteers, it's a great business and professional development opportunity to get on a committee, to contribute, maybe to eventually serve as a vice chair or chair, and maybe someday aspire to be on our board of directors. You know, as I said earlier, this community really is founded on the active contributions of volunteers across the many different organizations that we have in Mississauga. And that's what makes this city so great, is that a lot of what we see, you know, the events that we go to, the organizations that are providing important community services, whether it be the Board of Trade or Big Brothers Big Sisters, United Way, and so forth, these are all volunteer based. You know, it's residents and business people in our community who see the vested interest that they have in the quality of life and economic prosperity of Mississauga, that they make the time to give back. And the more that we have our residents and our business people giving back to the community, the better community it is for all of us.
Well, you're absolutely right. And, you know, I was looking at your membership. You've targeted, like you've got all of the different types of businesses involved in MBOT. I mean, you know, to have committee members step in and gain, you know, put more strength towards MBOT out there would be fabulous, because it'll be another driving force as far as having a really strong voice in the business community. And the business community being, listen to this, it's amazing. You've got advertising, media, arts, culture, entertainment, business, professional services, computers, technology, family, community, nonprofit associations, government, education, home and garden, lodging, travel, tourism, pet, veterinary, shopping, specialty, retails, agriculture, fishing, forestry, automotive, aviation, marine, communication, employment, staffing, finance, insurance, healthcare, industrial, manufacturing, personal service and care, public utilities, environment, restaurant, food, beverages, sports, recreation, and then other, which includes anything, everything possibly involved in business. And MBOT has covered every entity of business. And that's why the Mississauga Board of Trade is so incredibly successful.
Well, that was wonderful, Linda.
I love it.
We are a business association that engages and supports all businesses. So if there's one message that I could leave, if you're a business in this community and you need to get connected, you want to do more business, you want access to resources, referral sources, to expertise, the Mississauga Board of Trade is where you need to belong.
Absolutely. And today you are actually listening to the only radio station here in Mississauga called the Hayes FM. We are very proud to have Sheldon, you on our station on the Condo Expert today, because as I mentioned earlier, your representation as the president and CEO of the Mississauga Board of Trade is fabulous. I think we've covered so many different initiatives and information about MBOT, but if anybody needs anything more, you can give a shout out to the web address.
The web address, or give us a call. Call me directly.
Got it.
You know, we're here to serve businesses and business people here in our community. So give us a call. I'm sure that there's lots that we can do to help support you and get you connected in Mississauga.
And your telephone number, website, I know, www.mbot.com.
Yeah, and our phone number is 905-273-6151.
Fantastic. I think it's just wonderful. You know, moving forward, there's so much going on. I mean, I guess, do you have a Christmas event happening too? I mean, we're approaching.
Well, one of the fun events, you know,
yes.
Again, we do 70 events, and they're all amazing
70.
events. Over 70 events a year.
Wow.
So, you know, that's, you know, over an event a week. Last week we had 4.
Yeah, I know, 52 weeks a year, and you've got 70.
Every December we do a Christmas open house. I know some people say I should call it a holiday open house, but it is Christmas season. And so it's a great event. We have it at our offices. So we invite members and non-members alike to come out and celebrate the holiday season with other business people in our community. It's a nice event. It's at our offices. You know, the information's on our website. We ask people to RSVP so we can anticipate the numbers. But we also have our AGM earlier in the month, December 11th, and we'll be announcing in the next couple days that Tim Hudak, the leader of the Conservative Provincial Party, will be our keynote speaker on December the 11th.
Wonderful. So whether you're a member or you're non-member, but you're only going to be a non-member for a short time, because I really would recommend you as a business, if you're out there and you're not a member of the Mississauga Board of Trade, make the phone call, take a look at their website, get the information, and seriously move forward, because it is about community. It's about our business community. If you want a thriving business, that's who you should be registered with, and certainly that's who you should be involved with. And if you are anyone, for that matter, that wants to get involved in committees and do some volunteerism, contact Shelban Lever, or you can just contact the Mississauga Board of Trade, information staff, and I'm sure that they'd be able to give you all the information that you could possibly require, because it's important. Thank you, Sheldon, so much for coming on
Linda.
The Condo
Expert.
Lots
of fun.
It's been great today, hasn't it?
Yeah.
I love it.
Hopefully you'll have me back soon.
Absolutely. Anytime. You just give me a call and we'll set it up.
All right. And thank you to our listeners.
You hear that, everybody? Please, I hope you enjoyed this show. It's been wonderful having Sheldon Leba, the President CEO of the Mississauga Board of Trade. You've been listening to Linda Pinizzato at The Condo Expert. Until the next time, you have a wonderful day. We're here at the station at the Hayes FM, the Mississauga